Well, it's been about 2 years since our last meat bird harvest, and so we've been raising chickens, laying hens since then, but no other meat birds since then. Well, today that changes. Our meat birds are ready, more than ready. We're gonna do just a short group of them today. We're gonna do 10 meat birds. So here we go. And something else, we haven't shared much of our process lately. We've been kind of teasing it on social media, but we haven't shared a lot of stuff that we've been going through. So this will serve as an update to where the progress here is on the Jacksonville Vineyards little farm. So one of those bits of progress is we've been working on the market garden. It's about 100 feet long, 40 feet wide, plus the row. And we've still got to put in compost in the middle of the rows. We're still working out the remainder of the sections here, getting them all put in. So from path to what's gonna get the compost in here over to green mulch path, and so this just continues down all across for all this goodness, and then brings us to the next bit. I'll bring you on over. All right, next you got the breeders here. Berkshire Hogs, a heritage breed. And then meat pigs next door. Also Berkshire's friendly bunch. And they are next door to So this is our eggs and bacon station. Eggs and bacon. Somebody. Eggs and bacon station. And for fun, in here we brought the girl goats just so they'd have a new space and get a little closer. And once we return to milking, it'll be a lot easier to do the milking operation in here. Hey, Ophelia. Extreme goat close-up.
We're plucking chickens at the plucking chicken station, and then we just pluck the chickens. I don't know.
So at the chicken plucking station, you pluck chickens.
Yeah.
Thanks, Lucy.
Pretty self-explanatory.
Thanks for that. It's kind of like
Just gotta pull them out.
Yeah.
And then we put them in the garbage can.
The chickens?
We put the feathers after you pluck them out into the garbage can.
Today is butcher day for our chickens. We start out with the slaughtering, and then we go and scald them and dip them in there a few times for about 20 seconds, and then off to plucking them. And after the plucking station, they come on over to me and we remove their feet here, and then I take the insides out and We dunk them into our cleansing coolers, and then I will put them in our food saver bags, and into the freezer they go. And we'll have meat for several months.
Okay, it's been a minute since we've done some of these trips. All of us in the bourbon, unfortunately Lily's a little under the weather. I guess we're all technically under weather, but Lily's going to be staying home. We're heading to the snow park, get some Nordic skiing, and first time in Southern Oregon as a family. Crazy as that sounds, it's just been such a crazy last couple of years.
Farmers.
Yeah. So we leave the sickie at home to do the farm chores, and we're heading to it. Well, another day on trail, doing the thing we do with little ones is carry the poles, pick them up.
Alright, can you tell folks how you ski?
He's gone.
Sounds like me.
So the challenge to skiing in the Northwest, at least in the western side, is you gotta climb, and it's icy. So especially for little ones, there's not, a ton of bunny hills right from the gate. You gotta climb from the trailhead. So it's a little tricky. You see the ice conditions. But once they master this, then everything's easy. Everything's gravy if you can ski up this. Now skiing down, however, that also takes a bit of resilience, or cushiony bums, which none of us really have. So.
It feels so good to be out here.
Oh, yeah.
And with Laurel, I feel like I'm in my element. I can teach this way things that I just have a really hard time teaching in the house or in an environment that doesn't provide its own boundaries. This is something I get to see her achieve things when she's saying I can't, and she just does it because we have to move forward. And I'm patient. I'm in that parenting role of just waiting on, and the other kids are off and getting better at their skills, and I've done this with all of them, so it feels good. It's a great space to be in. I mean, I always have that thought of, well, we can always take our skis off and walk. We can look at the trees, and there's just so many things for me I can share with the kids. And what I'm trying to do is create good memories and gain skills and character, and it's easy to do out here because I feel comfortable out here and love sharing it with my kids. Oh. So this is learning how to fall and get up is an important skill. Huh, Laurel? Mm-hmm. They're all mixed up. That's a tough one. You gonna get it?
No, I can't.
All right, you gotta swing the other. Oop! Oh dear. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Oop! Oh, you got a little ice chunk in your mouth? No? All right. Are you gonna move on? You got this?
My hands are cold.
Oh, you're ready for your mittens, eh?
No, no.
Okay. It is really nice to have these mild temperatures to teach as well. It's definitely more difficult in colder weather or wetter weather.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to
A little more
ride in
skiing.
one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open
I went to the top. I picked a group. It's so cold out here.